there we go.
Quit messing around.
So what's up, guys? I'm gonna do some fireworks. They're like boat ones. Here, let me. Dog's not supposed to get out. Okay, we don't need to use that.
I know.
Daddy already has a flashlight.
know that. And then our dog is barking like crazy. Which is Shadow's a mean dog. He bites little girls.
You guys have to back up.
Caleb,
Oh,
come on.
You have to back up, all right?
yeah. Come on. Here, let me set up. Wait.
That's it?
I didn't even see anything.
Sure looks like that's it.
I didn't even see anything. My camera wasn't ready yet. I wasn't done getting up the deck.
Crazy dog.
Okay.
What?
That's it?
Yep, that's it.
What?
Didn't you off?
I'll let Shadow out now.
Only one? Oh, that was a fail for my video.
All right. Well, I mean, it was an open.
Okay, well, now the dog's going crazy. Can't even see.
Big fail.
Yeah.
Well, it's supposed to shoot off planes, so it didn't shoot off.
So that was just our only firework.
Wait, it shoots off.
There's other fireworks in the garage.
It shoots out. What?
Oh,
They don't have any good ones right now.
Okay, let's get another one out.
yep, we still have some fireworks though.
I know, but we really don't have any good ones, do we?
We still have some thunder rockets. Yeah. Remember, we didn't use them all on the 4th of July.
I know. Another rockets.
Let's get the pooping puppies out.
The pooping puppies, I don't think we have any more. We still have them?
I think we do.
Should we?
Yeah.
I think we need like aluminum foil because we're gonna be on a.
Coming in and going out.
We're gonna be in the road.
What?
I think we're gonna be in the road.
We're going in the road and trying to use this one.
That was a fail.
Go in the garage for a second.
Okay, so now we're going.
I'm gonna
in the
open it
garage.
as soon as Shadow backs up.
Okay, so now we're in the garage.
Get
Now
out.
we're in the garage.
Caleb was in my way.
This is my bike. This is Brody's bike. And this is my bike. And this is my dad's bike. This is my mom's bike. This is my Fat Wheels. This is Brody's Fat Wheels. And
That's the Cozy Cooper that we did on a video.
yeah, which is
That was a fail, but it was funny. It's a funny fail.
we should do some of your skateboard videos with their skateboard like your Brody.
Sure. Okay, here, can you hold the camera? Do you know how to film it? Stuff?
But we're not doing it right now.
Okay, but I'm gonna.
You do it by yourself, but you're gonna miss fireworks.
Don't set off any yet. Well, barely see. But I know how to steer on the skateboard. All I gotta do is just, like, lean which way you wanna go. I'm just going forward. Whoa!
No, those are.
Brody, please don't play with the Steve while I'm doing fireworks.
Okay, bye.
See, guys, that's why you cannot do it.
Yeah, they can barely even see anyway.
Yeah.
It's like super dark. You're bringing it in. No, no! I almost missed that.
More here, leave the skateboard alone.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my God, Shadow. Shadow. Shadow.
Oh man,
Okay, come back. This is like my third firework video.
Yeah, because last time we did the another fireworks video.
Actually, this is like my fourth one.
Yeah. Last time we
It's like the 6th of the July or 7th, I don't know.
And one time we missed
8.
And
Okay.
one time
It's the 8th of July
and
fireworks. We can still hear some.
And one time we missed the fireworks in our backyard, and that was right now, guys.
This is not our backyard. This is our front yard. Whoa, that is really. This is like really light. It's golden. Come on, focus.
A dog is going really crazy right now.
He really hates the fireworks.
Yeah, it's a cool one.
Yeah, it's the cool one. Say on. Where's Shadow again? Where did he go? Oh, back over there. See upside? Oh, there he is. He's right there. In that window. The camera could barely even see him. Oh, he's on the other one. Shadow. Another one. He's on this one. There he is. Okay, I'm going. Oh no, it's the loud ones. Here, can you hold this?
Yeah. Well. Wow, it's so blue.
The poopy pup. Wait, it's still pooping. I think that's it. Caleb, give me the camera. Get back.
You gotta back up.
Give me the camera.
I gotta show them something. This is what the pooping puppy.
They can barely see it. Okay, now come on. Get over here. Man, my camera can't focus that good.
Yeah. Oh.
What is this? Oh my god.
That is a pooping puppy.
No, it's not.
Is that a pooping puppy?
No. I forgot what that is.
Please stay back. See this line right here? Don't go past this line. Caleb.
Okay.
Caleb. You already passed the line. Don't go past this line.
Okay, pooping puppy.
We never
Pooping puppy. He's going like crazy. No, he's not. Just pooping out fire. Black fire.
No, those are.
Whoa.
The big one, huh?
Whoa. Now his butt is on fire.
Yeah. That means poop is coming out.
Still on fire.
It's
On my
not
camera.
Like, it's not like real poop, guys. It's only.
It looks purple on my tablet, but it looks orange on in the real world. Like not on my tablet. Okay, let's get back. Okay, there we go.
Ah, that scared me. Whoa.
He's pooping out fire. He's pooping on the puppy. He's pooping on the other puppy.
Ah, that scared me. That's when the firework goes on.
Okay, there we go. That was like forever. Now its butt is on fire.
What the heck?
It's still on fire. That pooping puppy took forever.
I want to see the
Behind that line, Caleb.
Okay. There you go.
The stuff in
Sounds like a motorcycle or something. What was it called again, Mommy?
pooping
Like a
puppies.
blooming blossom or something like that? Or a blooming flower?
Yeah, but it looks pretty cool. Can barely even see anything. Here, let's see. So that pooping puppy is on fire. Why does it look like pink and stuff? Really? Now on my tablet it looks like orange. It's purple on my tablet. Okay.
I'll do one of these, but the stick balls. It's only gonna like
It's like purple and pink and stuff.
Whoa,
It's so weird.
this is one of. Watch out, Brody.
What is this?
One of
Kill-
like the
kill.
glands ones.
Here, no, make the tablet look at that, there. Keep holding the tablet like that, okay? Here, Mommy, can you do it?
What?
Make my tablet like, when it launches, you do that, okay?
Okay, is it on already recording?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
It's been recording.
Okay. I didn't know that. Well, the tree's in the way.
Hey,
There you go.
where's the stick? Did we see it good? Oh my gosh! It hit our neighbor's tree. All the way across the road. Oh my gosh! Their car is on. And oh, then how come it looks like the car is on? It went all the way to over there across the street.
Don't pass the line.
But no one's setting off any fireworks. Okay, I can't even record that much now. Oh my gosh, yeah, it was up there.
Show's in our room.
Why does it look like my room is on? Why does it look like the bedroom's on fire? Oh,
There those.
here. Oh, fail. Okay, here. Where's the one that you failed? Okay, I think this one's it. Oh. Oh, you just threw that one at me. Here.
These are crappy.
Yeah. They barely even work. Here. This one. Dang it.
Guys, watch this. Watch this.
This box is so stupid.
Yeah. It really works. They barely even work now. Well, last year they worked really good. You do it.
Subscribe.
No, we're not doing it.
My YouTube channel. Hey, bye guys. You know what I just spelled?
What?
Bye. Wait. E. There. Okay, give me the camera now. Your finger.